Kung ikaw may mga present ka mga trabaho, negosyo, pag-eskwela, ministry, or let's say you have a, what they call this, relationship with your Jesus Christ, there is always present distraction nga pwede magdisturbo sa imo kag magdeter or magdetor sa imo pinaka handom. Ang pag-maintain sang fervent spiritual connections to Jesus can sometimes feel challenging. However, the call to be zealous as depicted in Revelation chapter 3 verse 18, it invites us to revive our passions for our faith, knowing that when I say horizon of connections, it emphasizes of God's expectation for you when it comes to God, of how we are being connected to Him, and not just simply connected, but rather, zealous